student, we are going to learn computer fundamentals. Now, the first term we need to learn what is data. Basically, data is a raw facts and figures. It is mainly essential thing for the computer because after some time we are going to process the data to get the information. So basically, what is data? A data is a raw material, facts, and it is not having a specific meaning. Like any alphabet, number or special symbol, all are what? Data. So whether it is a particular name, age, address, mobile number, we can say these all are the example of data. Now, what is information? Basically, when we are going to think something like about the computer, about any motivational story, we are just collecting in our mind different words and we are just organizing such a manner so that everybody can get the information or just understand the meaning of that particular concept. What is information? Information is the processed data. When we are going to process our data, that will become information. Or we can say that it is an outcome of processed data. It is an outcome of processed data. Or we can say that it is an organized collection of data so that we can get the information, because data is not having a specific meaning. And finally, when we get information, that information is used for decision making process. Now, the next question is, what is computer? As we all know that computer is an electronic device which takes input and gives output after processing. So what terms that computer stands for? It stands for common oriented machine, particularly used for trade, education and research. A computer is an electronic machine which is used for calculations and comparisons, so that we can use in decision making process and just to get the desired result. Just think in your mind, whatever we are going to do from morning to the evening to get something, to get our desired outcome. We are doing lots of work at home. So every work must be having a particular goal. Same as it is, and why we are storing these information? Because in the future use, we can use that particular information or data for the decision making process. In the future, we are going to take some decisions. This is all from my side.